Today, I will read some of the good points which I learned from the book Emotional Intelligence by Daniel Goleman. So, why it is matter more than IQ? So, emotional intelligence EQ is more important than IQ. Anyone can become angry. That is easy. But to be angry with the right person to the right degree at the right time for the right purpose and in the right way, this is not easy. Emotional intelligence, which includes self control, zeal, and persistence, and the ability to motivate oneself. Perhaps the most disturbing single piece of data in this book comes from the massive survey of parents and teachers and shows a worldwide trend for the present generation of children to be more troubled emotionally than the last, more lonely and depressed, more angry and unruly, more nervous and prone to worry, more impulsive and aggressive. The author wants to develop emotional intelligence abilities such as being able to motivate oneself and persist in the face of frustration, to control impulse and delay gratification, to regulate one's mood and keep distress from swamping the ability to think, to empathize with others, and to hope. Childhood abilities such as being able to handle frustrations, control emotions, and get on with other people made the great difference in the life. Much evidence testifies that people who are emotionally adept, who know and manage their own feelings well, and who read and deal effectively with other people's feelings are at an advantage in any domain of life. We should spend less time ranking children and more time helping them to identify their natural competencies and gifts and cultivate those. There are hundreds and hundreds of ways to succeed and many different abilities that will help you get there. Interpersonal intelligence is the ability to understand other people, what motivates them, how they work, how to work cooperatively with them. Successful salespeople, politicians, teachers, and religious leaders are all likely to be individuals with high degree of interpersonal intelligence. And in the day-to-day world, no intelligence is more important than the interpersonal. If you don't have it, you will make poor choices about who to marry, what job to take, and so on. We need to train children in the personal intelligence in school. The worries could be stopped by shifting attention away. Thoughts are association in the mind, not just by content but by mood. People have what amounts to a set of bad mood thoughts that come to the mind more readily when they are feeling down. Students who are anxious, angry, or depressed do not learn. People who are caught in these states do not take in information efficiently. For Asian student, the attitude is that if you are not doing well, the answer is to study late at night. And if you still don't do well, to get up and study early in the morning. They believe that anyone can do well in school with the right effort. Students with high hope set themselves higher goals and know how to work hard to attain them. When you compare students of equivalent intellect, aptitude on their academic achievement, what sets them apart is hope. People with high level of hope share certain traits, among them being able to motivate themselves, feeling resourceful enough to find ways to accomplish their objectives, reassuring themselves when in a tight spot that things will get better,